Do you consider yourself a dental expert? Should patients trust you for their sedation or their full mouth reconstruction, their sinus lift, their full mouth of implants, or should they just go to one of your competitors? Most importantly, how are your prospects supposed to know if you're the expert or not? When we come back, I'll tell you how this big marketing mistake hides dentist expertise. Stay tuned. One of the most important questions in all of marketing is what makes you different? What makes you stand out? What makes you unique or differentiates you? Now today, I want to talk to the dentists who think of themselves like the character Ricky Bobby from the movie Talladega Nights. Ricky Bobby, if you've never seen the movie, is a NASCAR driver, and after winning a race, he famously says, "I'm the best there is, plain and simple." Today, I want to challenge all of you to promote yourself like Ricky Bobby, but a little more tactfully. The marketing mistake I see dentists make is that they think dental prospects are supposed to know that they're the expert. Now, this might be because the dentist has a string of letters after his name, or he has a number of awards or certifications or postgraduate training or CE or a degree from a prestigious university. If you think that's telling your prospects that you're the expert, you're mistaken. If you're not going to tell prospects that you are an expert in whichever areas you want to dominate, who is? And the answer is nobody. Your competition sure isn't. It's up to you. So how do dentists present themselves as the experts and differentiate themselves to attract the lion's share of new patients? I'll give you one idea. We'll talk about more in future podcasts. Do press releases. Write about training you have, interesting cases you've worked on, new equipment, or excellent staff. You might actually have something newsworthy going on in your practice, from new CE or new accreditations or credentials that you can spin in a patient-centric light that patients can understand. Comments on topics in the news, both dental and non-dental, allow you to interject yourself into hot topics. Now, a second way is to blog about dentistry. You should be able to post your own website or a free blogging website and then link it to your site, although the former is greatly preferred than having a second website. Now, when prospects search for topics and your blog comes up, they search for you and they read your blogs, they're going to be impressed with your knowledge, but first and foremost, blogs get you ranked higher in the search engines. Now, finally, I'm going to recommend that you publish papers, whether it's free reports, white papers, webinars, or even books. These make you the expert. Anytime you can educate somebody, you become an authoritative source of information. One more recommendation. It's not for everyone. You can hold your own seminars in your niche, but you have to be able to engage with people for the hour or so that you have them, and not everyone is cut out for public speaking. If you're not doing these things, you're wasting a huge opportunity, and that's the marketing mistake for today. Until then, until next time, keep moving forward.